E whakariterite ana tētahi rōpū kapahaka mo te ahurei koanga o Tāmaki Makaurau, a ngā rā e toru e tū mai nei. No te kura tuatahi o Sancta Maria, te rōpū nei, he tuatahitanga tēnei mō rātou.
Kāore anō kia kotahi tau te kura tuatahi o Sancta Maria. Kua tūpakari te rōpū kapahaka tuatahi o te kura.
For a brand new school to come together from lots of different schools and sort of bond as well as they have with such spirit and such passion for their kapahaka, but also representing the spirit and passion of the school, they're making us very proud.
Kua whakatūngia te rōpū nei hei whakanahau atu ki te hunga i te hui ahurei koanga o Tāmaki Makaurau anārani e toru e tū mai nei. Aha kua he kaupapa Māori, tokorua anake nā Māori o te kapa nei.
It's hard at the start, you know, like teaching them about how to respect your elders, how to respect someone that's talking, but they learn and they're very good right now.
Kua rima tau noiho te kaiako o te rōpū e noho nei ki roto o Aotearoa. Engari wai Maria ia i etahi tauira no te kura tuarua o Sancta Maria.
The protocols and all the words and things are quite new for me, so I asked if a few of the college students who are the leaders in their kapahaka group would come over and help me with that kind of thing, but I'm here just to make sure that the children are where they're meant to be and doing what they're supposed to do.